start again. It's a redskin.
We got Baller Tim here. We got the Jpipe he got off me. Put a new flex pipe on. We'll be putting this on today. And then Baller Tim over here, he's messing with the chandelier. Sheesh.
What's up, guys? Baller Tim here, reporting live.
Baller Tim
here at Mythic Customs. Oh, it's on the other side of my car, but
yeah, we're
we do
here.
have a Mythic Custom sticker on my
Mythic
car.
Customs. You want to tell them what Green Chris is doing?
Green Chris has bought an SI 8th gen.
Yep.
We have a speeding AMG right here as well.
Let's go take a look. We're gonna get Tim official review.
I wonder how it looked with the chandelier in the 8th gen Civic SI.
Put the chandelier inside the Civic, all right?
Wow.
Wow.
I like it. It goes with the Nardo gray.
Wow. I'll buy it.
Oh.
I'll trade you the e-bike for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I sent a picture of the e-bike I had.
And I'll take the leaf off the splitter.
So on it was Green Chris, but now it's Nardo Chris, SI Chris, with some work wheels, but they're getting taken off.
Yep.
I didn't know those work wheels
You did until right now?
till right now. We got some visors right here.
Okay.
We got, gotta get the bag life,
Yep, it came with bag. You just pop the trunk real quick and it's surely soft. Oh, look at his car. Sheesh. Put the chandelier in there.
Put the chandelier in there.
Wow.
Yeah, that could be something.
it.
That could be something.
Does it have magnets on it?
No.
Bro, imagine. Look at. Do the flip flop.
Oh, and you got the flip flop trunk.
Yeah.
Oh
and
my
the sticker.
God. What? You put it right here?
I was able to get an extra 500 just because of that.
Ooh, yeah. He's fucking
From
dying.
1,000 to 5 on that certain sticker. One of one color.
What do you feel about your new whip?
Shit.
You know I gotta bleep those out every time. Even in the last video, I had to bleep that out. So you're not no longer Green Chris, you're SI Chris.
Like,
Imagine
FA5
if this
Chris.
was hanging like right in there with the flip flop like that.
You
Is
see?
that a first, bro?
I'll hold it up a little bit. Like that.
Is that a first?
That'd be dope. Oh.
Dude, we could start a trend, my guy.
Yeah. Oh, your thing's magnet. Let's see if it stays on it. Alright, don't touch it. It might fall off.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yo!
Dude! Take a picture.
I'm keeping the car.
What? So the SI comes with an automatic chandelier mount. That's crazy.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Dude.
Saucy?
You sure you don't want to trade your bike for it? It's on your car already.
Alright, yeah. I want to trade the bike. I'll go pick it up in Santa Barbara right now.
Get it. Sheesh.
I want to SI, my god. I feel like buying it again, dude. Or I feel like buying it.
Oh, let's take that chandelier out.
Give me my
Shit, I think it's a magnet. I think it's fucking smart.
Isn't that a good thing?
Yeah. If you guys want to see content on this Jersey bumper, just comment on the down below and let me know, because I haven't posted too much about it. For my 6-speed, so drive it daily. But yeah, right now we're gonna put the Jpipe on Tim's car. You ever know he cracked one of my CCWs? Oh, my old CCWs that he bought off me. This video should be out already by the time you're watching this. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install his Jpipe. This is a VR6, I believe. LongTube Jpipe, so you gotta take off the cap or delete it. But yeah, both on there, and then both off there, and then it should come right off. Hopefully we have no issues. But exhaust, OEM exhaust, you already know it could be rusty or real hard to take off sometimes. So we'll see what we can do.
The neighbor's getting a kick. Trying to learn how to drive stick.
It's his first time. Oh my god. Good. All right, honey, come on.
Let's go home ready.
I think we should call the neighbors out and just watch.
Have the whole neighborhood. All right.
He's gonna peel out right now, watch. God damn. Alright, we got Baller Tim's new one. There's his old one with a pain in the ass to get off. And we did it. Yeah, so it deletes the cat. You can see how long it is. It deletes the cat. But yep, we'll go ahead and put this one on, and hopefully everything fits pretty good. All right, so we put the Jpipe on. So the Jpipe is a RV6.
Yeah, RV6.
LongTube Jpipe, so it deletes the cat. After that, he's full cat back delete, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have a resonator in the middle, but that's aftermarket, I think.
It's aftermarket, the dyno.
Yeah, and
dyno
then
bullet?
yeah, then he has nothing else on the tips, just the muffler or the tips or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna start it and see how fucking loud this is. Let's see. It might not be too bad, but I think it might be louder.
It did like a little.
We should have did before and after, actually.
You really should have. That's alright.
No. You hear the difference? Is your
Not really, but
not really, huh? Hit the gas. I think it is louder, like when you rev it. It seems like. I really like that. But you'll probably notice more performance-wise, if anything. So maybe we'll get a clip of him driving it. Not bad though.
not bad, dude. I get that. I wouldn't get those little those like when I revved it a little bit right now. It wouldn't be like that though.
Like what? Like crackly?
They crackly a little bit.
That's what I noticed on that one too a little bit when I did the four legs off.
But it sounds the same, but then again, I like it.
We'll see. You should notice more of like performance.
Oh, definitely.
But yeah, all right, we'll clean up, we'll grab E, and we'll see how it drives, I guess.
All right, what's up, guys? Wait, is the put on the light? Does the light not work? All right, anywho, guys, so what's up? Back here with Baller Tim. Mythic Custom just put on the new RV6 LongTube Jpipe from Endless. And yeah, so we're gonna do some quick drive real quick. Hold on, I don't know if you can really hear it. Let's put the camera outside the... Alright, not too bad. I like it. And then like, so I think I have like a full catback now, but then I have an aftermarket resonator, so it just gives it like a better tone and depth to it, you know, not just like a raspy tone. Still raspy, but you know, it's still there. But yeah, I wish the light was on. I don't know how to turn on the light. I think the light pack's dead. I think so, but yeah. Bought him out, and yeah. They say to get airbags, and you come with consequences when the air breaks. The line breaks. Yeah.
So what happened?
So I'm writing down right here.
Riding down, cruising in there.
I heard. Then I look at my screen. I'm like, it's hella low numbers.
What was it at?
All of them were at like 90 and 90 and 90. But it's fine now. But
which one popped?
There's one right here.
Oh, the back one.
The back one.
All right. Let's see what happens when we try to air it out.
Okay.
Just this back one though. So you're all aired out right now?
Those are all up right now. They stayed like.
Okay.
I thought it was this one up here.
You thought it was that one?
I thought it was this one.
All right, just air up just that one. All right. You can clearly see there's the air leak. We'll go ahead and take the wheel off and we'll double check it. I brought some survival kit with me, so we'll try to see what we can do. All right, Tim, hit the camera. Let's fix your car.
All right.
All right, let's see.
Oh my god.
Fucking fuck. Oh my god. Why is it? Oh no, that happened more because you aired out. Just remember that. That's mostly because you aired out. Fuck. So let's see what happened though. Up there maybe?
I'm not looking.
It's a line then, huh?
Oh fuck.
You can't move those out the way?
No, I'm gonna try to loop it back this way now, this time. We'll probably move it to the back.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, take a picture. Oh. Man, that's a freaking $5 butt connector right here. But I bought more. So we'll just put a new line from here to here, zip tie it from the back and just try like that. But yeah, we feel about this
Or
thing.
you could just straighten out your wheel.
I don't know, dude.
I
Makes me want to sell my airbags. I'm just kidding.
we just gotta like do half the camber, technically.
Yeah.
But yeah. All right. Well, we'll get this fixed. What we'll do is we'll probably cut it right here. Put a new line up here. Put a new tie, and then just put it more towards the back. That way it's not exposed. But you can clearly see right here is where it fucking destroyed itself right here at this line.
How's your day, bro?
Fuck, look at that shit. Ew. Ew. Let's get through that. Alright, yeah. Alright. Mythic Customs here with instant route service. No, just like. Alright, but yeah, here's his old one. You can just review this, what happened. Clearly it just got fucked up right here and it popped it, and then when his tire aired out all the way or whatever, his airbags, it just fucking destroyed everything else under here. Right here, you can probably put this whole airline inside this gap right here now. But yeah, we just moved it towards the back a little bit, put a butt connector, and we're good to go. 5-second thing, and we're good. Time to put the wheel on. Get back, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
Right?
Alright, let's see if it works. What if it's touching it right now? You're touching it, technically. But that's because you're aired out. So air it up like your normal drive height and I'll feel it. Like it never happened. So that's your regular height. Is that your regular height?
Yep.
What's the height? What's the PSI on it? Why's your rear so low?
I put it low.
Just your rear?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they don't go up so high. Well, I thought I could drive like that because you know.
Could, well, let me see. Maybe I'll touch it. It's pretty close. I would raise it at least another 10 psi.
10 psi.
That's probably what happened.
I barely.
It's real close. Oh, before you do it, you want to feel it? Just to feel it. So as you put your hand in there and feel the top of the rim, you can see like Larry's probably just a 1/4 inch of a gap. At the time, no, like put it through the spoke and touch the back of that reel, but do like this way.
Oh wow.
You feel it though? See how close it is?
Oh shit, yeah.
So let me see if I can like go through and see that. Probably not. But raise it another at least 10 psi in the rear. But like, why are you driving so low in the rear? Like 75 maybe? Good?
Good.
A little bit better. I think that's better.
I was
Yeah, we just gotta fix your camera. Honestly, your camera is more of your issue.
yeah. Let's book a schedule for your day.
Alright, book a day. I'll let you know when I get home. But yep, it's fixed. Tim over here. He's back to loving bags again. Oh shit.
I still have a mini heart attack right now. I'm just put it at 85.
Alright, do it. I think mine's at 85. There it goes.
Yeah, we'll just adjust the camera, dude, because there's gonna be problems all the time.
Well, good thing I don't have SPCs.